Good job.
Oh, you know what? There's so many things that we can say na pwede sabihin tungkol sa performance mo. Alam mo naman sa rock and roll, hindi pwede iwasan yung mga flat and sharps. None of you, I didn't hear any too many. Monique, maybe you couldn't hear yourself here in front. There was a little bit pitchy there. But oh my, Ashley, what did you have for breakfast today? What did you? I want some of that, Gary.
No,
great
but
job.
what you didn't, you don't know about this group, Gary. Okay, I know that they're good. The group is good, but you know, my contestants can still be better than them. But what I want you to know is this: that among this group that is so fantastic, there are 3 girls from Cebu.
Ah, well,
Oh, di ba?
that explains everything.
Congratulations.
AKA Jam. Kung sa performance talaga, wala na akong masasabi dyan.
Yeah.
I think yung performance talaga, napakagaling. Napakagaling. I think para lang may masabi, ano? Para lang may masabi. Nagulat ako nung nakita ko yung song niya, Survivor. Because that's not a rock song at all. But then you added the rap, which is more hip-hop feel. I was expecting more rock sa inyo. But again, I don't think this is all about this whole thing, about me nagdereklamo. But for me, yung performance nyo,
Great job.
Well, what can I say? AKA Jam came with their game face on. Look at
Yeah.
that. And for me, you guys simply rock the house. I'm proud of you again. Galing.
thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
I like the makeup too. The little 3 stripes there. They look like Adidas.
Ladies,
Brought to you by Adidas.
kamusta kayo, girls?
Okay lang po.
Okay, ang
Okay
game
naman.
face ninyo. Sinong gustong sumagot nito? Ano ang gusto ninyong sabihin sa competition ninyo?
Well, alam po natin na lahat po magaling. So, we gave our best. And
I hope na makarating pa po kami sa next level.
Alright. Mga kapamilya, kung gusto ninyong mag-survive ang AKA Jam till the grand finals, just remember XM Space JAM. Abangan ang pagbubukas ng mga voting lines natin mamaya. Maraming salamat, girl! AKA Jam!